Hi guys, Paula Romero from La Bella Pasta. Tip of the day, raspberry sauce. I have here 1 pint of raspberry, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We're gonna cook the sauce until the raspberry break out and the sauce thickens. Once the sauce thickens, we're gonna pass it through a strainer. And the sauce is ready. I'm having with some cottage cheese, but you can have it on top of cheesecake or any other cake. Chocolate cake would taste amazing with this sauce. I hope you like the tip. Enjoy! See you next time.